Hi, I'm Margaret Hamburger, and I'm with Solaris Product Marketing. I'm here today with Dean Rorick. Dean is a Solaris engineer focused on the SAM QFS project. Dean, tell me why a user would use a shared file system like QFS over NFS.
With a shared file system like QFS, you have clients with direct attachment to storage. You have clients that are cache coherent. So not only do you have clients running at fiber speed, for example, in fiber channel, but you also have, say, one client doing a write, another client doing a read of that same part. QFS will keep the cache coherent between the two machines, and then the reader will see what was written by the writer. With NFS, you won't necessarily have that until the NFS client that did the write actually flushed everything out. Or the NFS client that's doing the read. Well, what if he'd already done a read of that section of the file? NFS won't tell him, oh, that section is stale, go reread. QFS and products like that, cache coherent file systems, will do that.
QFS has a lease append mechanism. Can you talk to that and why some level of locking to cache coherency is important?
With lease append, the issue is knowing who owns the size of the file. And so when we have a machine doing an append, we have to be aware of that. We have to be aware of a size update. We have to know that it came from the guy who owns it.
So Dean, QFS has native clients in its architecture. Those can be Solaris and a variety of flavors of Linux. You worked on the Linux client development. Can you talk to why a shared file system needs native clients in its architecture?
You want your Linux client to run native QFS software, because QFS allows clients to have direct attach to storage, which means that clients could actually do I/O at channel speed, for example. Well, if your client is going to be touching the data, the file system that QFS is managing, it has to participate in the lease protocol with all of the other machines that are accessing that data. And this is how we allow two machines to access the same file without corrupting it, or the same file system without corrupting a directory or superblock. So if you have the Linux nodes, you want them running at channel speed, or what you're getting when you run your Solaris nodes, you'll have to run native shared QFS software on there. Then it participates in lease protocol. We can control cache coherency across machines, make sure that everybody sees what was written, when it was written, and it pulls things together nice.
Thank you.